Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basic. In this video, we will be learning how to change your name in Valora Wallet. To change your display name in Valora Wallet, first of all, launch the Valora app on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into your wallet, and once you're inside the home page, tap on the gear button appearing at the top right corner. Now, click on your profile icon on the next page. Click on Edit Profile and then select a name and type it down in the profile name text box. You can also tap on Generate a Name and this will generate new names for you. After you are done choosing or typing in the name that you want to change to, click on the Save button. Right after you do that, you will be able to generate or change your name in the Valora wallet. Now you will see your name reflected in your Valora account right away. So that's how you easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.